Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we are talking about one of the oldest fruits enjoyed by humans. Figs. Soft, sweet, nutritious. For thousands of years, figs have been part of healthy diets in many cultures. People enjoy them fresh. People also enjoy them dried. But figs offer much more than natural sweetness. Let's begin with fiber. Figs are rich in fiber. Fiber supports digestion. It helps your digestive system function more comfortably. This is one reason figs are often associated with gut health. Another important benefit is heart health. Figs contain potassium. Potassium supports healthy body balance. It also supports normal muscle function. Then comes antioxidants. Figs contain natural plant compounds. These compounds help protect cells from oxidative stress. This supports long-term wellness. Another important area is bone health. Figs contain calcium and other minerals. These nutrients support strong bones. Now let's talk about energy. Figs provide natural carbohydrates. Your body uses these carbohydrates as fuel. Many people enjoy figs as a healthy snack during busy days. Another important benefit is skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants found in figs support healthy-looking skin. Then comes healthy aging. Colorful fruits rich in antioxidants are often included in balanced diets because of their nutritional value. Another advantage is versatility. Figs can be eaten fresh. They can be added to oatmeal. They can be added to yogurt. They can be included in healthy desserts. Now let's discuss immunity. Figs contain vitamins and minerals that support overall wellness. A balanced diet helps support your body's natural defense system. But here is the truth. Dried figs contain more natural sugar than fresh figs. Moderation is important. Balance always matters. No single fruit can provide everything your body needs. Variety remains the key to healthy eating. Now here is the key message. Figs are more than a sweet fruit. They contain fiber, minerals, antioxidants that may support digestion, heart health, bone health, daily nutrition. Small healthy choices repeated every day can make a big difference over time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care,